I see something is sleeping over there. Now I'm gonna pick it up. This is a dinosaur. This dinosaur can fly because it has 2 wings. Go for it. Hello, everyone. Peekaboo, peekaboo. I'm a dinosaur. Fly, view. Let's go into my basket. These are small fishes. They are swimming. And on the ground, there's a coconut, but it's still green, so I can't eat it. This is a pond. There's so many things in this pond. Water here is so clear that I can see the bottom. I can see there are so many rocks and grass here. This is grass and this is rock. Let's see what I can find here today, okay? Oh, look! I see something is floating. This is an ice cream. I'm gonna poke it. Poke, 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 poke. Oh, how interesting. I'll take it. I'm gonna put it into my basket. There's so many trees around here. Splash, splash. I like to play with water. I see something purple on the rock. Let's come closer. Let's pick it up. This is a dinosaur, purple dinosaur. It has so many spikes on the back. Let's take a bath. How about take a bath here? Okay, you all clean. It's time to go to bed. Let's sleep in my basket. These are water ferns. They are floating on the water. And over here, there are so many small fishes. They're swimming. This is blue fish. This is pink. This fish is pink. I'm gonna use this one to catch a fish. Do you like this one? How about this one? It's so small, right? Wow, what is that? This is a crab. This is a crab. I'll take it. These are small fishes. They're so beautiful. I'm gonna catch a fish. This is pink fish. There are some fishes over here. Let's look on the ground. There's so many things on the ground. I see something standing by the tree. It's green. I think this is a dinosaur. Yes, this is exactly a dinosaur. It has so many spikes on the back. I'll take it. This is a branch of coconut. This is my garden. There are so many plants in my garden. Let's look over here. Wow, there are so many kind of dinosaurs. Now let's count with me. How many dinosaurs are there here? 1 dinosaur. 2 3. It has long neck. 4 5 6 7. This dinosaur can fly. 8. 9. This dinosaur is green. 10. This dinosaur is orange. 11. This dinosaur is blue. That is ant. 12. Wow, this dinosaur is so big. 13. This dinosaur has long neck and long tail. 14. Wow, it has big mouth. 15. This is 15. 16. 17. 17. 18. This dinosaur is dark green. 19. 'Last one is 20. I got 20 dinosaurs. There are so many kind of dinosaurs in my baskets. This is my garden. There are so many kind of vegetables in my garden. Let's look on the ground. That is Doraemon. Pick it It has amazing fan on the head. Wow, this fan can spin around. Spin, spin. It's spinning. Wow, how cute. I'll take it. Let's keep going.